3 months I've been using this thing every single day, and honestly, I didn't think I'd end up here. The AerioQ, this little wall-mounted air conditioner, is the answer to the problem I'd been dealing with for 2 summers straight. A bedroom you couldn't live in, no budget for real air conditioning, and zero desire to deal with some monster on wheels sitting in the middle of my living room. Today, I can tell you that, in my case, it solved the problem, and I'm going to show you the details. I'm leaving the official manufacturer link down in the description. That's the only way to get the exclusive promotion reserved for YouTube. And more importantly, it's the only place where the 30-day money-back guarantee is actually activated on your order. The AerioQ is a wall unit that blows cold air in the summer and warm air in the winter. It weighs 5.7 pounds, and it measures 16.5 inches long, 7 inches wide, 4.5 inches deep. Which is to say, it disappears on a wall. You can also set it flat on a shelf or a table. It's designed for both, but personally, I mounted it on the wall, and that's where it really makes sense. Zero floor space taken up. Installation took me less than 20 minutes. Bracket on the wall, 2 anchors, clip it on, plug it in. The cable is about 3 feet long, which means you need to plan your mounting point near an outlet or plan on running a discrete extension cord. That's the only thing to watch out for during installation. You control it 2 ways. There's a control panel with physical buttons right on the unit, with a digital LED display that shows you the temperature. And there's the remote included in the box, which handles temperature, fan speed, and the timer. The timer runs from 1 hour up to 12 hours. In practice, I set it for 3 hours before bed, it runs while I fall asleep, and it shuts itself off. I don't get up in the middle of the night to turn it off anymore. The noise is what surprised me the most. On low speed, it's a continuous airflow, very steady, no surging. It's not a silent appliance, no appliance that moves air is silent, but it's constant white noise, not a compressor rumbling. I sleep with it running, no problem, and since I'm the kind of person who wants to understand what I'm buying, I took it apart. So take a look. Let's start with the housing. It's injection-molded polypropylene with reinforcement ribs on the inside, which is why the whole thing only comes in at 5.7 pounds. The front grille unclips, and it's integrated with an adjustable louver that directs the airflow up or down. Behind the grille, there's a removable dust filter. It's open cell foam, a standard pre-filter, and that's the part you need to rinse underwater once a month if you want to keep your airflow. A lot of people never do it and then complain that the unit doesn't blow as hard anymore. Once the housing is open, the mechanics are simple, and that's exactly what I like about it. There's a CrossFlow fan, a cylindrical impeller with angled blades driven by a brushless direct current motor. A brushless motor means no carbon brushes wearing down, no sparking, and a significantly longer lifespan than a conventional motor. That's a real engineering choice, not the cheapest component on the market. As for the CrossFlow fan, its advantage is that it produces laminar airflow, wide and even across the entire height of the outlet, instead of one concentrated jet. That's what gives you that diffused air feeling instead of a blast hitting you in the face. For heating, we're looking at a positive temperature coefficient ceramic element. In plain terms, it's a ceramic block running through aluminum fins that act as a heat exchanger. What makes it special is that it self-regulates. The hotter the ceramic gets, the higher its electrical resistance climbs, so the more it naturally limits the current flowing through it. The result is that physically, the element cannot run away and overheat. It's the same technology you find in serious space heaters, and it's infinitely safer than an exposed, glowing wire element. On top of that, there's a bimetallic safety thermostat wired in series with the power supply to the heating element. That's the overheat protection listed on the product page, and I confirmed it's physically there. If the internal temperature goes past the threshold, the bimetallic strip deforms and cuts the circuit. That's not marketing, that's a real component, soldered onto the board. Speaking of the board, there's a main circuit board carrying the microcontroller, the infrared receiver for the remote, a temperature sensor mounted away from the heating block so it doesn't skew the reading, and the motor speed control. The assembly is clean, the solder joints are neat, and the connectors are keyed, which means you can't plug them in backwards if you take it apart. Honestly, for a product in this price range, I was expecting something a lot more crude. So let's be honest for a minute, because this is the real question. Does the AerioQ do the same job as a professionally installed wall-mounted air conditioning system that costs 10 times the price? No, obviously not. Real air conditioning means a refrigeration circuit, a compressor, refrigerant, an outdoor unit. That's a different category, and you pay for it accordingly, not counting professional installation on top. But that's not the real question. The real question is, do you actually need that? And after 3 months of heavy use, my answer is clear. For a bedroom, a home office, a studio, an apartment that isn't huge and is reasonably insulated, the AerioQ is more than enough. It cools fast, it heats fast, it takes up no space, and it doesn't require construction work, a technician, or an outdoor unit. In 90% of situations, spending 10 times more gets you absolutely nothing extra day to day. That's what best value actually means. It's not the most powerful product on the market, it's the one that solves your real problem without making you pay for power you'll never use. Where you need to be realistic is with large spaces. An open living room flowing into a kitchen, a poorly insulated room, a sunroom in full sun, that's not its territory. The manufacturer says it themselves. This unit is meant for well-insulated spaces or occasional use. If you respect that, you'll be happy. If you expect a 5-pound appliance to cool 850 square feet, you'll be disappointed, and that's a mistake in expectations, not a flaw in the product. What I love after 3 months, I turn it on, the room gets comfortable within minutes, I control it from bed with the remote, the timer shuts it off on its own, and it doesn't steal a single square inch of floor space. That's exactly what I asked it to do. If you decide to get one, get it only through the official manufacturer link in the description. That's where the exclusive promotion for this video lives, and that's where the 30-day money-back guarantee actually applies. You test it at home, and if it's not right for you, you get refunded. No argument and no stress. Going through any other seller means you lose the promotion, you lose the guarantee, your order isn't registered anywhere with the manufacturer, and the day you want a refund or a replacement part, there's nobody on the other end. It costs you nothing to click the right link, and it changes everything if something goes wrong. So that's my honest take after 3 months. A simple appliance, well built on the inside, that does exactly what it promises within the conditions it was designed for. For my bedroom, it was the right call, and I didn't need to spend more. Subscribe and see you soon.